March Madness, day 26. We're going to have a look at the press-up position. This is always a very challenging position for people to get into and often will load up neck and shoulders quite a lot. So I'm going to see if I can help you troubleshoot that today. So if we just get Mariella in 4-point kneel first. Good. So again, your beautiful setup and your 4-point kneel. Now, you can just start your press-ups from this position. So you're going to imagine that there's a little bowl of water just beyond your hands there, and you're just going to dunk your face down towards it. So all you're going to do is bend your elbows. So I shouldn't see the shoulder blades changing position as you come down, and then you're going to push back up again. Okay, so that is the level of control that we're really looking for with the upper back, that the shoulder blades don't come together and that you collapse down here, because that really puts a lot of pressure on your neck, tightens everything up and really pulls your shoulder blades out of alignment. So we're going to make sure that we keep those shoulder blades wide and that we're using the support from those abdominal muscles to help support the shoulder girdle, so we can really get the benefit of strengthening the arms. We would then gradually start loading a little bit more. So I do that by getting Mariella to extend one leg out, but keeping the foot on the ground so that her heels are pushing back. And then she's going to take the other leg out. Now, the key thing here is that you adjust your pelvis. So you have to narrow your sitting bones and tuck ever so slightly. So now you're going to be using a lot more abdominal. So once you've got yourself into this position, you really want to involve the hips. So you're going to narrow the sitting bones and slightly tuck your tail so that as you push back through your heels, you can support your pelvis and lower back with your glute muscles. And this is the position that you would then, first of all, hold, and then gradually you might want to start bending your elbows, and it might just be a couple of centimeters, and then straighten, and then just gently bend your knees and sit back and relax. So take your time building up towards, just even holding that position is already sufficient. You're already building a lot of beautiful strength in that position.